Okay, here at WTI, and a comfortable sleep often comes down to the pillow you're using. This one from VVZ has been wonderful. It comes in a set of two. We have the king size. They are so fluffy. So they start vacuum sealed, but in no time they fluff right up. They're filled with shredded memory foam. This means it's super soft, so it molds to your body, but it gives you a lot of support. My husband noticed right away that he didn't wake up with neck pain. It immediately helped to relieve that. Now it's adjustable, so it has a zippered closure here. You can take out or add memory foam as you need. So totally customizable for whatever your preference is. The cover itself is very soft, it's washable, it's really well made. Another perk with this pillow is that it's cooling. Because of the shredded memory foam, it really helps to disperse the heat. So you'll find that your head is a lot cooler when you sleep. We really love this set. It has great bounce back. It's not one of those pillows that's going to squish down over time. You're always going to have a really nice, fluffy, supportive pillow. So if you're looking to make a change, I think this one is a fantastic choice, and that's my point of view.